Are you struggling to fall asleep at night? Imagine having natural sleep remedies growing right in your own backyard. In today's video, I'll share 3 powerful medicinal herbs you can grow for better sleep. And if you want an easy way to start your own herbal garden, check out the Medicinal Garden Kit link in the description below. First up, we have chamomile. Known for its calming effects, chamomile tea before bed can help relax your body and mind, making it easier to drift off into deep sleep. It's easy to grow, and the flowers can be harvested and dried for your own homemade tea. Next is Valerian Root. This herb has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid. Valerian can help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep quality. It's a bit more powerful than chamomile and works great when grown at home, so you always have it fresh. And finally, lavender. Just the scent of lavender can ease stress and calm your nervous system. You can place dried lavender under your pillow, brew it into tea, or even use it as an essential oil. Growing lavender at home not only adds beauty to your garden, but also helps you sleep better naturally. So there you have it, chamomile, valerian root, and lavender, 3 medicinal herbs you can grow right at home for better sleep. And if you're ready to start your own herbal garden without any guesswork, the Medicinal Garden Kit has everything you need to grow powerful healing herbs in your backyard. Grab yours today, the link is in the description below.